Good morning, children. Welcome back to learning. In our last session, we started lesson number 14, chips and fries. Everyone loves to eat chips and fries. It may be chips, French fries, pizzas, burgers, noodles, chaats, samosa, isn't it? Everyone's favorite. Why do we call these food as junk food? Because these food don't have any kind of nutritions in this food. We cannot find any kind of nutrition, which is very important for us to stay healthy, isn't it? That's why we call it as junk food, which is very tasty but not healthy. Continuously, if we eat junk food regularly, we may face some health issues because of preservatives or chemicals used in junk food to preserve, isn't it? Now, let's start learning again. We'll learn some more points about junk food. Junk food causes many health problems. Our stomach is not able to break down such food easily, so we will get stomach problem. See, when you eat noodles or when you eat pizzas or burgers, these foods will not get digested very easily because these foods are very hard, heavy, and these foods are full with preservatives which are not good for our health as well as not good for our digestive system. It makes us fat, weak, and lazy. When you start eating junk food regularly, you may feel that you are becoming very weak or ill and laziness. What do you mean by laziness? Laziness means not doing any kind of work, not active. A whole day sitting in one place or whole day sleeping, ignoring all the work, not doing anything. That is called as laziness. And these kind of junk foods makes us fat. Okay, it gains our weight, which is not healthy at all. It affects our growth. When we become fat, what will happen? We will not able to run properly. We will not able to walk properly. We will become lazy. We may face many health issues, which is not at all good. So it affects our growth. When you don't do any kind of physical activities, you will not get any advantage, means you will not be growing. Okay, children eating junk food fall ill very often. As I told you, these foods are prepared and preserved. For preserving these foods, they will use many chemicals. Those chemicals are called as preservatives, which will affect our health. That's why children who eat junk food regularly, they fall ill. They will not be having strong immunity power and they will not be healthy. Okay. A single can of Coca-Cola has about 8 to 10 teaspoons of sugar in it. If you drink a can of Coca-Cola every day, what will happen? Fat will increase. It is equal to almost a whole bag of sugar. Okay, so Coca-Cola, a small tin of Coca-Cola contains at least 10 to 12 or 8 to 10 spoons of sugar, which is not good for us. Okay, let us compare junk food with healthy food. Healthy food. It is useful for our body. When we eat healthy food, we get lot of nutrients, vitamins, minerals and many things so that we will become strong. How about junk food? It harms us in many ways. Okay, junk food always harms us in many ways. Healthy food helps us to grow. Healthy food always makes us to grow healthy. Okay, it harms our growth. As I explained you before, when we start eating junk food regularly, we will become fat. Once we become fat, we will become lazy and weak. Our growth will not be proper. It keeps us strong. Healthy food. It keeps us strong, fit, and fine. When you eat fruits, vegetables, when you drink milk, and when you eat eggs, you will become strong. You will get strong immunity power to fight with all kind of diseases. Okay, so healthy food always keeps us fit and fine, whereas junk food, it may make us weak and sick because there will be no nutrients in junk food. It will not give us anything so that we will fall ill very easily, very oftenly. It is freshly prepared. Healthy food is already always freshly prepared, like rice, dal, vegetables, rotis. Okay, all these healthy foods are freshly prepared. Whereas junk food, it may not be fresh. When you visit a restaurant or McDonald's, what you will see when you order French fries, what you will see, you can see all those French fries before frying it, they will be keeping it in freezers. Okay, they will take out from freezers and they will fry it. And the oil which they are using for frying, it is also not good. That oil already used for many times, which is very harmful. Okay, healthy food, it does not have any harmful items in it. So just see, when you prepare roti, what all you need, you need wheat flour, oil, salt, isn't it? Is there anything any item which harms your health? No. Whereas in junk food, it may have harmful items added to it. These make it easy to cook and taste good. They add taste makers in junk food. Those taste makers increase your thirst for eating those junk food. Okay, and junk food, always in junk food they will use preservatives, which is not good. That means they will use some kind of chemicals to preserve the junk food, which is not good for our health. Here are some junk food items. Find out what makes them junk. One done for you. Oil and salt make them junk. French fries. You will fry all these potatoes in oil, which is not good, and you will sprinkle some salt. Okay, eating too much salt is also not good for our health. Okay, like that, many junk foods are there. You just make a list of those junk foods and harmful ingredients which you can find in those junk food items. Okay, children, so now we understood why it is very important for us to eat only healthy food. Why not junk food? Junk food always harms us and it is not healthy. That's why daily we need to eat fruits, sprouts, vegetables, dal, rice, homemade food, which is good for us. Okay, I hope all of you will adopt these good changes. Okay, eating healthy food is a very good change in your life. You need to adapt it and make yourself healthy and fit. Okay, children, take care of your health, stay healthy, and thank you.